Welcome, dear students. How are you today? I hope you are fine. Our lesson today is called Collecting, Displaying, and Representing Data. Data collected by observations, surveys, or experiments. Representing data. This year, in Primary 4, we have two methods to represent data. The first one, the bar line. The second one, double bar line. Now, dear students, open your booklet on page 39 and let me show you how to draw the bar line and the double bar line. In page 39, exercise number 1, the following table shows the number of computers sold by a company from 2004 to 2008. Represent these data by a bar line. To draw the bar line, first you must draw the two axes like this. The first axe, the vertical one, which is called year, and the horizontal one, which is called number of computers. The axe of year, we will write the number on the table as it is. We will start from here, 2004. Then in the bar line, we will write on 1 and drop 1. We will write on 1 and drop 1. We will write on this and drop this. Write on this and drop this. Write on this. In the bar line, we write on 1 and drop 1. We write on a square and drop 1 square. This is in the year X. Then in the number of computers, or in the horizontal X, we have 20, 25, 35, 30, and 15. Which one is the greatest? 35. So we need to start from 0 up to 35. Write it as you like. If you want to write it 0, 5, 10, 15, and so on, it's okay. If you want to write it 10, 20, 30, 40, it's okay. But I prefer in this exercise, or in this case, to write the numbers up to 5. This corner, it's the 0. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. I will stop on 40. Each square equals 5. Now, how can I represent this table or this data by the bar line? Let's start. On the dash of 2004, it's 20. So I will up on 20 with your ruler, primary 4. Be sure to draw the bar line with your ruler. Then go to the right 1 square and down. This is the first bar. The second bar, 2005, it's 25. 2005 up to 25. Then move to the right 1 square and down. 2006 up to 35. Up from 2006 up to 35, go right 1 square and down. 2007, it's 30. Up from 2007 up to 30. It's here. Go right 1 square and down. The last one, 2008, up to 15, up to 15, go right 1 square, then down. This is our bar line. It's very easy, but be sure, primary 4, all the bar must be separate or away of each other. Now, represent these data by double bar. The following tables shows the number of students taking part in school activities from primary 4 and 5. Represent the data of the table in the coordinate plan below using double bars. Let's start to draw the double bar line. This X will be the activity. Write the word activity. And this X will be pupils from pupils primary for primary 5. Let's start. As I said before, we will start from here. Okay? Okay, as I said before, we will start from here. But in the double bar, we will write here and drop 2 squares. So I will write here the word culture, cultural, and drop this one and write here arts. Drop this and write here sports. Again, in the double bar, we will write first on the first square, then drop 2 squares and write the second word. Then drop 2 squares and write the last word. Okay? On the pupils X, we have 10, 20, 15, 25, 30, and 15. The greatest number here is 30. Also, we can write 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on. The corner is 0. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40. Let's start to represent the bars. First, the culture. It's 10 and 20. The pupils or the students in primary 4 was 10. Start to draw the first bar, culture, up to 10. Go right 1 square, then down. This is primary 4. Primary 2 was 20 in the same word, the word culture. So from here, I will up to 20, like this, and go to right 1 square and down. Okay, now I have 2 bars. How can I know which one is primary 4 and which one is primary 5? So, in double bar lines, be sure to make an important step. It's called the key. You must write the key here, like this, to tell me which bar will be primary 4 and which bar will be primary 5. Let's consider the first one will be primary 4. I will let it as it is. Primary 4. And the second one will be primary 5. I will shade it like this. So, in my key, you must shade the square like this and write the word primary 5 beside it. According to the key, now I know which bar represents primary 4 and which bar represents primary 5. Let's move to the second word. It's arts. In arts, primary 4 students 15 and primary 5 students 25. Let's start from the word art. Primary 4 is 15 up to 15. Move 1 square to the right and down. Then the primary 5, 25 up to 25 like this, and move 1 square to the right and down. Don't forget, as I said before, we will shade the bar of primary 5 like this. The last one, or the last activity, is the sports. Primary 4 students was 30 and primary 5 students was 15. Primary 4 it's 30 up to 30 like this. Go 1 square to the right and down. Students of primary 4 was 15 up to 15. Go right 1 square then down. Don't forget to color or shade primary 5 bar. And this is the final figure of the double bar line. Dear primary 4 students, don't forget our homework for today. Booklet page 39, 40, 41, and 42. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.